I very pain. Wrong. I'm in a lot of pain. Correct. I sick yesterday. Wrong. I got sick yesterday. Correct. I feel hot body. Wrong. I have a fever. Correct. My head spinning. Wrong. I feel dizzy. Correct. I cannot breathe good. Wrong. I have breathing problem. Correct. My stomach not good. Wrong. I have a stomach ache. Correct. Check my body, please. Wrong. Can you examine me, please? Correct. I eat medicine already. Wrong. I have already taken the medicine. Correct. I pain my leg. Wrong. My leg hurts. Correct. I want to see doctor now. Wrong. I need to see a doctor now. Correct.